Hey everybody, it's Jim Troth, Habitation Investigation. I'm here doing an inspection. I'm in Dublin. Obviously, I am on top of a roof right now, but I want to show you this. I don't find these very often. You get your plumbing vents right here. These are a little different. These are like a repair type cover. And you pull this off and show you what I find. Is pull this thing off, and there's like a plastic sleeve. Hey Jeff, there's a sleeve in here. So what this thing does, that plastic sleeve on the inside of the cover goes inside the main plumbing vent, and it usually because there's a gap, they don't want to replace the plumbing vent, a boot. So they put this thing over and then their sleeve goes on top, and then that basically covers it up and everything that way. So yeah, they got two of them. Now one had a bunch of sealant. This in here, I don't see sealant around there, so I'm not certain why they would have felt the need to put that thing over the top. It's just unusual. Don't find them very often. I don't see anything wrong with them as a repair. Definitely as a great, pretty good temporary repair, but I would want to know why they would do that, especially on the one did not have any gaps around that rubber boot. So anyway, so far no rain here in Dublin. Looks like it might rain. Hey Ryan. But if you're having a home inspected or going to sell a house, get it inspected. You got here's another issue we find up on roofs quite often. But they got the trim right next to the shingles. It's starting to get a little soft there. Even though it's engineered wood, it will still deteriorate. Even the cement-based siding needs to have a gap. And then down here, if you're selling your house and you have kids, check the gutters. The kids will leave their things here in the gutters. I'll throw this one out. But yeah, you gotta watch those kids. I remember one house I was up on the roof. It was way up there. On top of the roof, and here comes about 4 neighbor kids started running down the street up toward me, and they did that because they had lost a boomerang on that roof like the year before. So as soon as they saw somebody on that roof, they came running over to come have me throw that down to them. So always watch those kids, and always have your house pre-inspected. All right, thank you everybody. Bye bye.